morning children. Now I am going to take English for you. So please take your English textbook and open page number 37. Okay children, page number 37, and this is a poem. The poem name is Heaven on Earth. Okay children, the poem name is Heaven on Earth. Okay children, so in the last class I explained you about Samir's friends. Okay children, so now I am going to explain the poem, read the poem. The poem name is Heaven on Earth. So I'll read the poem, listen carefully. So after listening the poem, you must also sit and read at home this poem. Okay children, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. So this is the poem. Okay, children? So once again I will repeat. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. So this is a poem about water, grain, sand and all. So water will be, if the rain comes, the water will fall on the earth drop by drop, no? So these grains will be of sand and it will make a mighty big ocean. So and the land also will be there. So like that, little words of love and kindness. So little kindness it will be, and this love and kindness will make the earth an Eden. So like it will be like the heaven above. So it will be above heaven, no? So it will be the little kindness there. So I am going to read with spelling. Little, little, drops, drops, of water, water, little drops of water. Little, grains, grains, of sand, little grains of sand. Make, mighty, ocean, ocean. And pleasant, land. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little, words, love, little words of love. And little deeds, of kindness, kindness. Make, earth, Eden. Like, the, heaven. ABOVE, above. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. So, saying the poem, repeat with me, children. Little drops of water, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Once again, I'll say, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Okay, children. So, you must also sit and read this poem. Next page. Let us understand. The poet has used another word which means the same in the poem for the words given below. Identify and write them in the space provided. An example is given here. So, here some words are given, the same meaning in the poem it is here. So, you must write in the space given. So, for example, Eden means heaven. So, like that you must write for others. So, water means ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Next, sand means land. LAND, land. Next, third one, the love means kind. KIND, kind. Okay, children. Now, you must complete this poem. So, they are given some dashes here. So, you must fill the dashes. So, little words of love. So, in the dash you must write WORDS, words. OF of LOVE, love. And little deed of kindness. So, in the dash LITTLE, little. OF of KINDNESS, kindness. Little deed of kindness. Next line. Make the dash and dash. So, in the first dash, you must write earth, EARTH, earth. In the second dash, you must write Eden, EDEN, Eden. In the fourth line, dash the dash above. So, in the first dash, like, LIKE, like. In the second dash, HEAVEN, heaven. So, I'll read once again this poem. Little words of love and little deed of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Okay, children? Next, pick and write the words that come before and after the words given below in the poem. So, they are given some words here, sentence. So, you must complete that one. After mighty, what it will come? Ocean. OCEAN, ocean. Mighty ocean. Second one, dash land. So, before land, what it will come? It will come pleasant. PLEASANT, pleasant. Third one, dash deeds. So, before deeds, what it will come? It will come little. LITTLE, little. Little deeds. Fourth one, heaven dash. So, after heaven, what it will come in the poem? Above. ABOVE. Heaven above. Okay, children? So, once again, I will read this one. Mighty ocean pleasant land, little deeds, heaven above. Okay, children. So you also sit and read this poem at home. So once again, I am repeating this poem. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, makes a mighty ocean and the pleasant land. Little words of love and little deeds of kindness make the earth an Eden like the heaven above. Okay, children. So, any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this lesson poem. So, I am giving notes also. So, write that notes in your classwork neatly. Okay, children? And you must by heart this poem at home. You practice in the rough note 3 or 4 times. Okay, children? So, you must practice how much times? 3 or 4 times you must practice in your rough note. Okay, children? Thank you.